Hey guys, it's Palm, back with another video. Now, today I'm gonna do a speed build because
Someone
you know who it is. Commented on the video telling me that I should do a
speed build.
on Tokyo, so I'm gonna
Follow them.
Charger disconnected.
Let's see which house I'm gonna
Demolish.
Oh, I think this one. No, I'm kidding. I think this one. Where should I start? Does that look good? Well. Okay, this is gonna be the kitchen. Amazing kitchen. Okay, that's all. So right here is either the balcony or the entrance. I don't know. So we have a little bench for visitors to sit on while they wait for me to open the door. And then we have the kitchen. I will probably not be using it since I cannot cook. I might burn the house down. And then we have some kind of children's room. I don't know what I was thinking, but I guess it's cool. Okay, and then this is the living room. There's a lot of plants here. A lot. Then here's the bathroom. I tried to make that like what's it called? That bowl effect for the sink, but I think I failed. And then my favorite room right now would be the bedroom, which would be mine. Obviously. It's just cluttered, and for some reason I like it that way. I just like it like this. Because there's no empty space. Well, except for behind the bed. But that doesn't count. But otherwise, I like this house. So, thank you to, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry. Thank you to you for giving me the idea of doing a speed build.